Many friends said they wanted to see the factory of robot vacuum cleaner. Today, I found it for you. Not only did I find the factory, but the factory I found is... Michael?
For every 4 robot vacuum exported, 1 is made in our factory. Let's go.
Okay, show me your factory. This is definitely the biggest robot vacuum factory I have ever visited, with production floors covering an area equivalent to 36 soccer fields. Hey Michael, this is the dormitory of your factory, right? How about we start from the dormitory?
No problem.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
This is your room?
No, it's a girl.
A girl?
谁呀？
是我。
哎
Hello，
哇
Hello， 我们过来参观一下我们的员工宿舍。
可以。
你好，你好。你平时是一个人住在这吗？
我目前是一个人，但我们公司安排的是双人间，后续有新员工入职的话，也会安排到这个床位。
OK。